yesterday was kind of like an introduction video. Yesterday's video. Today's gonna be like a little bit of a little smaller top, but it's still gonna be pretty cool. Run back to the gun. This is gonna be fun. That was a little better than yesterday. Or yesterday was a lot better than today. Alright, so you up now?
Yeah.
Alright, and on this video we get, what do we say, 15 likes?
Yeah,
15 likes, 10 subscribers. We got a propane tank full, and that's gonna make a big go cloud. Now my buddy is gonna shoot fire extinguisher. You want to put that way back? Oh, and this possibly could not bust it because we are using birdshot, and it very well could not explode. I don't know. We'll find out. Oh yeah. Yep, I think.
Yeah, sun did, I guess. No.
Maybe not. You got register, I think it might be. Yeah, there it is.
3, 2.
Oh damn, it did.
How did
No.
it blow up?
It didn't blow up. Can you shoot it again? I think there's still more in there. Yep. Is that? Is there one more in there? I don't know. Point it at me. This is a Mossberg 835 turkey gun with, believe it or not, it's a fucking airsoft pump, the airsoft shotgun pump. Ordered this off of eBay. It's, we can get it done. $5,000 subscribers, 600 likes, and we're shooting fucking airplane out of the sky. No, it's out. And I'm sorry guys, we're using the phone because that's all I got right now. I can get an SD card and I can upgrade a little bit better camera. It's one of the little square ones. Good old fire. Oh shit, that's hot. That's still a fire. Ah, fuck that. Well, I ain't gonna touch it because it's hot and shit. Peppered it pretty good. God damn. Yeah, put that on the fire. Put it out. At least we're being somewhat responsible. Never mind, because it's not. Oh, there it goes. See, we've been somewhat responsible. Yeah. Very responsible. Shoot fire extinguishers. Throw it up. Yeah, that'd been pretty cool if that exploded.
Yeah.
Well, that's it for this video. Block A and Dirty Bug out. See y'all next time. Make sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment on, give us more future suggestions. 10 likes, 15 subscribers, or 15 likes, 10 subscribers, whatever. Just give us a 10 to 15 and we'll shoot a propane tank. It's right there.
And we can put it out.
And we can put it out.